In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your first post on WordPress.com. Whether you're completely new to WordPress or you've been around the block but need a refresher, we'll walk through the process step by step so you can get your thoughts out into the world effortlessly. First things first, the journey begins by heading over to WordPress.com. This is where you'll access your blog, manage your posts, and get everything set up. Simply open your web browser and type in WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main WordPress landing page, which is your launchpad to explore all the features WordPress offers. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Logging in is your key entry point. It verifies your identity and allows you to access your blog's backend, where all the magic happens. For ease of access, you can choose to continue with Google if that's convenient for you. This option allows you to use your Google credentials, linking your Google account with WordPress, which makes for a seamless sign-in experience without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Upon clicking, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Select the account you wish to use. This is an important step as it ensures everything is linked smoothly. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. Take a moment to get acquainted with this area because this is where you'll manage everything related to your blog. Now let's move on to the exciting part, the creation of your post. Click on the Posts section found on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll see all your past posts listed and where you can begin crafting new content. To start a new post, you'll need to click on Add Post. It's usually highlighted to stand out, making it easy to find. Once you're in the editor, this is your chance to let your creative juices flow. Whether you want to write a short piece or a lengthy article, this is where you'll type out your thoughts and ideas. The editor provides various formatting options to stylize your post, so feel free to experiment and create something visually appealing. After you've completed your blog, the final step is to hit that Publish button. This is what makes your content live, viewable to the public, and shared with your audience. Before you publish, make sure to preview your post to see how it looks. You can also adjust your settings for desired visibility. And there you have it. With a few clicks and a little bit of creativity, you've successfully published your first post on WordPress.com. Happy blogging!